National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for northern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Waller County in southeastern Texas, west central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. 1 to 2.5 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Katy, Brookshire, southwestern Addicks Park 10, northern Eldridge, or West Oaks, Fulshear, Patterson, and Cinco Ranch. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The coastal waters forecast for the following coastal locations.